Welcome back, gaming enthusiasts! Are you ready to embark on an exciting quest to find your favorite game on Facebook? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps of searching for a game on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Step 2. Click on the game's icon from the upper bar. Look for the gamepad icon on the top navigation bar and give it a gentle click. Step 3. Under Gaming on the left side, type in the name of the game you want to find. This will narrow down the search results to your desired game. Step 4. Press Enter to see the search results. Facebook will display a list of games related to your search query. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily search for a game on Facebook using your PC. Find your favorite games, connect with friends, and enjoy endless hours of gaming fun. Happy searching!